Gerard and I set up our Neatboard 50 on the adaptive floor stand. Very, very easy to do. Just two people lift it on and clip it in. So now I'm going to take you through the setup process. All I have to do is start by picking my language. I'm going to do English. Now I'm going to hook it up to the Wi-Fi. Obviously you can hook this device up to Ethernet as well, but if you want to use Wi-Fi you can do that. So I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi network, put in my super secret Wi-Fi password. Please use more secure passwords than that. And here we go. So now it's getting connected. It'll tell us when we've got an internet connection and we're all set. So I'm going to hit continue. All right, so now we've got it on the right time zone. Let me hit continue. And now we come to the place where we register it to Neat Pulse, which is Neat's management platform for all of our devices in your environment. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to grab my laptop and I'm going to use Neat Pulse to put in an enrollment code so that I can begin managing this device in Neat Pulse right away. So let me just put that code in here really quickly. Okay. And now it'll just take a second to enroll that device. All right, there we go. It's all set. So I'll just hit continue. Now it asks if you want to opt in to share device analytics with Neat. Now, this is completely optional, but we very much do appreciate when our customers opt into this. It's completely anonymized. There's no personal or private information that we harvest, but we are able to see how our devices are being used, if they have issues, and make a lot of improvements to them that are going to help you and give you a better Neat experience in the future. So please opt in if you don't mind, but if you can't, no problem. All right, and now we can choose our platform. So today we're going to set this up as a Zoom room. So I'm going to select Zoom right now, continue. All right, we've downloaded the Zoom software really quickly, and let's launch Zoom Rooms. All right, just a little quick update to the software, and here we go. All right, so now it is in Zoom Room mode, but there's one more thing we have to do. So if you notice, it gives you a message right there in the upper left corner saying that this is an unlicensed room. So you're gonna need a Zoom Room license that you should have as part of your organization's Zoom account. And once you have a license, you can assign it to this and get it activated. You might have to, if you aren't a Zoom admin yourself, you might have to work with one of the Zoom administrators in your organization, get an activation code, and then you can enter it to get your room activated. So I have an activation code here on my laptop. I'm just going to go to activation code and I'm going to put that in right now. Sign in. And it asks me to select my mode. So I can be a Zoom room, a companion whiteboard, or a companion Zoom room. I'm going to select Zoom room because this is a standalone device that I want to do all the video conferencing and whiteboarding that Zoom can deliver. So we're going to click on Zoom Rooms here, and there we go. Ready to go. Now this room can be scheduled. I can do ad hoc meetings. I can do whiteboarding, everything I might need to do.